feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Alright. If you want a part 2, comment down below part 2 if you've made it to this point. Look at the shape of this. Understanding what I need is go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? Well, let's get started on this TikTok free clothing haul. Hey YouTube, what it do, what it do? It's your girl Chatty Shay, and I'm back with another video for you guys. First off, let me apologize because I didn't drop a video last week because life was lifing. So I'm here to bring y'all a banger this week. I'm actually dropping 2 videos, probably even 3 this week. But let's get started on this TikTok free clothing haul. Yes, I said free. So as a TikTok creator, I get free clothes. So I was like, well, let me show y'all some of the heat that TikTok be sending me for the free. So I already have on one of the outfits, so I'm going to back up and show y'all. I'm also going to keep this on for the top purposes because I have some bottoms that I don't have a top to. So you'll see this blue situation more than once, okay? So anyway, moving right along, this is the first piece, y'all. Like, first of all, this thing is sucking me in, okay? This is not my real body, okay? This is not my real body. This thing is sucking me in. Like, look at, like, in his shorts, I look at this. Oh, yeah, I got this for free, okay? All of this stuff I'm showing y'all is for free. Like, I freaking love this. I have yet to wear it, but baby, she will be worn. Like, I love the stretch of this. I love the color of this. And it comes in multiple different colors. Also, 90% of the items I'm showing y'all today are extra larges. With the exception of this one piece right here. This piece is a large. Well, it said large / XL. But yeah, so this is so cute. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I just love it, y'all. So yeah, this is one of the free pieces I got from TikTok. Let's move along. Also, rate them from 1 to 10 because I'm giving this a 10. Comment down below what y'all giving this. On the scale 1 to 10, what are y'all giving this? Drop a comment down below. Now, obviously, I wouldn't wear these two together, but I got this jacket as well, and it also has pockets. It's like a little crop situation. It's so stinking cute. I love this. I think I wore this once, y'all. I have so many clothes, y'all. Like, baby, they are in rotation, okay? I have to wear the stuff I haven't worn, okay? But anyway, yes, I got this jacket. Super freaking cute. Love it, love it, love it. Comes in a crop. Remember, all of this stuff is free, okay? For free, okay? Yeah, y'all. Okay, moving on. Okay, so this is one of my newer promotions, y'all. It's one of these, like, little cheer tennis skirts or whatever. It comes with shorts under it. Can y'all see? Yep, it comes with shorts under it. Super stinking cute, and it came as a 2-pack. So, I got the black for the free and the pink for the free. And, y'all, I love this. Like, this actually looks good together. If it didn't have shorts, this top would actually look good with this. But yeah, y'all, I love this. This is, who's the brand of this? This is by, oh, rate that jacket that I just had on too. I'm giving it a 10. This is by OQQ, which is the brand. And y'all, Amazon also sells this stuff, but TikTok has better deals. So like, I don't know, if you spend over $50, they may give you like $10 off or something like that. So TikTok has better deals. So if you like anything that you see me wearing today, go to my TikTok shop and shop it, okay? Anyway, back to these little tennis skirts. Super, super stinking cute. Love it. And the stretch is great. It's a size extra large. I'm also giving this a 10 out of 10. Because it is, because it's just so stinking cute. Like, I can't wait to wear this out. Moving along. All right, y'all. So I have this dress here, y'all. It comes down all the way to my ankles. Like, and you know, this don't look half bad with the top neither. Let me bring y'all down a little. I need to go on TikTok shop to see if they have these tops without the bottoms. They probably do. But anyway, y'all, this is another one. I love, love, love this skirt. Can't wait to wear her out in public. Baby. Look, I done made y'all cricket. Can't wait to wear her out in public. She is so cute. I'm so freaking excited to wear it. And again, it's giving what it needs to give. Like, this is... Look at the shape of this. Take a picture, flick, flick, flick. Like, baby, this is... Ooh, it's just giving like... Body, 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 body. Baby. Okay, I might have to wear this together. Moving along, y'all. Oh, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Next piece is this zip up situation, y'all. What is this called? This is like some type of bodycon jacket that's supposed to snatch you in all the right places, and they do. It's like a Lululemon dupe, but I think it's better than a Lululemon dupe. No shade, because it's half the price. Probably not even half, like just like a quarter of the price. So I think that this is better, and the quality is the same. So like, you don't have to buy brand stuff to get the same brand ending. So this is a TikTok brand. I have no idea, but it's cute or whatever. And this one don't have pockets, y'all. So I don't wear this one that much because I'm a pocket girl, because baby, why not? But they sent me this black and this like a gray one, and this have pockets, y'all. So look. So I think they came out. I think they came out with these with no pockets. And then people were saying like, oh, I wish they had pockets. So then another company came and was like, bam, I got you with the pockets. So I have 3 of these, but these 2 have pockets. And I rate them all a 10 out of 10. Although this don't have pockets, I still absolutely love it because the way it fits and it feels. Like, this is like a thin material, y'all. Like, it's not that thick. And then like they have the thumb, so you can put your thumb through it. Like, tell me this is not cute. Like you just trying to just go run an errand or something like that or whatever. Like, baby, this is cute. This is, again, we are giving body. This is not my real body. Like, why do it look so good? Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. All right. We moved along, y'all. So we done with this. Everything else I have, y'all, 2 pieces. I have 2-piece sets and 2 dresses. So let's get into it. All right, y'all. So we back with this 1 piece. Y'all, they call this like an oversized shirt, but I think this is really like a dress. I don't know, but I wore it with like a belt around my waist to kind of snatch my waist in, so it looked like this. So yeah, but anyway, y'all, I didn't button the last 2 buttons, but this goes all the way down to like right underneath my kneecap, and then it's just long all over. Like, so stinking cute. Like, I love it. And it's like that loose, flowy material. It's gonna give you a cool breeze if like you out somewhere, you want to be somewhere. Baby, you pair this with a pocketbook and some sandals, game changer. 10 out of 10. This kind of give you like a moo-moo vibe. Like, don't this kind of look like a boo-boo? I don't care, y'all. It's cute. 10 out of 10. Next. Okay, y'all, I'm back with my second dress. And y'all, I was unsure about this initially because I was like, it's giving old vibes, but I put this on with some jewelry in the bag. I have not worn it out. I just wanted to see like how I can make it look better for my style. And it gave when I styled it up. So I was like, we keeping it. So y'all, that's this little dress here. So cute, very flowy, comfortable, and like this is perfect for like church, like family functions and outings that require you to like dress up a little bit. But for real, y'all could, it comes down to the ankle. You could really put some sneakers on with this. I'm telling you, like, this comes all the way down to the ankle. So like, you could put sneakers on with this. I'm just saying, like, if that's your style. Anyway, I'm gonna rate this as is without me styling it the way I styled it, I'm going to rate this like a 7. It's going to be like a 7. Only because this is not my particular style of clothing or dressing. However, once I dressed it up to suit or fit my style, it gave me everything that I needed to give. So I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. It's not that bad, y'all. It's not that bad. So yeah, y'all, this is the second dress that I have. We're going to be moving on to sets. I also have a pair of pants as well. But let's get these sets out the way. I'm going to save, y'all. I'm going to save my best set for last. So I'm back with my set. My first set, y'all. It's this all black 2-piece. It's like a workout set. Hold on, because I forgot to grab the other one. So, to give y'all a better understanding of this set, because it's in black, I have it right here in orange. So, the black one, it do not come with, like, this, like, sports bra type situation. But it do come with the jacket and the leggings, which is what I have on. Then when they sent me the orange one, it was like a 3-piece. And this one came a 2-piece. I'm not mad at neither one of these sets, y'all. This is a 10 out of 10. Because you can literally just throw this on and go. With any color sneaker, a sandal, a flip-flop, a croc on safety mode. I'm talking about, you could literally just throw this on and go. Like, this is a great Erin outfit. And it slims you. I don't know why all the clothes now are slimming. But maybe because everybody getting BBLs. Anyway, I don't know why all the clothes are so slimming. However, baby, this is snatching me. This I wish y'all could see the contrast. It's snatching me. It's snatching me. Okay, I can't explain why it's doing all of that, but that's what it's doing. And it comes in other colors. Like, they don't just have black and orange, yellow, purple, pink, whatever. 10 out of 10. It's a 10 out of 10. Like, I can't even, like, lie to y'all. It's a 10 out of 10. And I've actually wore the black one. I haven't wore the orange one. As y'all can see, got a tag on it. Because I just got this one probably, like, last week. So, y'all will see this soon. Okay? And if you like anything you seen with me on, if you like anything you see me wearing, go shop my TikTok shop. Like, baby, I can't make it up. I can't make it up. Yes, TikTok has dress clothes and suits. Y'all, TikTok is like an Amazon. Now, I'm not going to do too much moving in this suit because I did not put a cami under it. But I do have that one button. So I'm just going to hold it right here to keep it closed. However, y'all, this is a plus size pantsuit. This is a size extra large. And I got it from the TikTok shop for the free. I'm not playing with y'all. Like, this is so cute. I'm actually wearing this to work tomorrow. I'm actually wearing this to work tomorrow. I just got this last week. So I'm going to iron this out and fix it up tonight so that I can wear tomorrow. But the pants come like right at your ankle. Like they're like right, like it was tailored for you. And like, y'all, it is soft. It's breathable material and it's wrinkled because it came out the package. Okay, y'all, I have not worn this set yet. I'm wearing it tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow it's going to look better on camera. Follow my TikTok. Okay, y'all. Anyway, so y'all, this is this plus size suit that I love, baby, and it fits so nice. Y'all, this is a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And y'all, I have so much more that I could not fit into this video. Just because TikTok sends me things weekly. So I just picked out the more recent items. I have one more item to show y'all, and it's absolutely my favorite item of the week. I just got this outfit, and I love it. I think it's a handful of things that TikTok has sent me that is like, baby, but this particular set, Let me just put it on. Baby, when I tell you that this is the set to have, when I tell you that I love this set, I just wore this set on Friday to my daughter's graduation, washed it, hung it up, and knew it was going to be featured in this video. Like, I love this, y'all. This is a two-piece short set. And, like, you could wear this like this. You could wear them both out. You can wear them both in. However you choose, y'all. It has a drawstring that is a fake drawstring. It does nothing to the pants. However, the pants have a massive stretch. I have a size XL. And, y'all, when I think about summertime fine, this gives, like, good summertime fine vibes. Like, family cookouts, brunches, because you could wear this with heels or sneakers. Put a little purse on. You could dress it up. This outfit is just so universal. You can wear this in any occasion. And this is why I love it so much. Is because you can wear it literally to anywhere and with anything. I freaking love this two-piece. Y'all, it buttons down all the way down. It has the shorts. And the shorts have pockets. The shorts have pockets. Oh my. Let's clap it up for TikTok. TikTok be doing a big one, y'all. Anyway, y'all, I love, love, love all the pieces. If you want a part 2, comment down below part 2 if you've made it to this point. Because I have some summertime fine outfits that, baby, is a little risque. That I have not worn or posted. Because TikTok, they said it's some wild stuff, yeah. But anyway, if y'all want to see a part 2 to this video, or if you want to know how I get free TikTok stuff, comment down below. Put me on, sis. Okay? If you want free TikTok stuff, like, put me on, sis. I got you. Anyway, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend what your girl is doing on the channel. Until next time, bye.